Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? If you're new to this channel, please kindly click on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so anytime we upload a new content you guys should be notified. So here in this video we're going to be discussing about how to make $2,000 on Fiverr selling a Canva design. What do I mean by selling a Canva design? If you are into like a design or graphic designer, so you will definitely know what I'm actually talking about. But here I'll be showing you the kind of designs people are actually doing on Canva and making money on Fiverr with less stress. So I'll be checking through Fiverr platform and search through social media design. Social media design. So with social media design, there are tons of designs on the platform which have been designed using Canva website. As you can see on this particular gig, you see Canva here. I will design Canva Instagram template for your brand. So, and there are also a lot of designs on this on these gigs, and they are all designed through Canva platform. So I'll be showing you some kind of like related design on Canva, so you'll be able to believe that most of the designs are from Canva platform. So I'll be checking through canva.com. Okay, so yeah, this is Canva website, and you can see social media. So this is actually loading. I don't know why it's taking long to load. Okay, so yeah, so you can see this is Instagram post, this is Facebook post, Instagram story, your story, WhatsApp status, Facebook cover, and all. It just depends on the one you actually want to choose. So let's say for instance Instagram post. Okay, I just want you to see some posts and some designs so you'll be able to believe these are very possible to make at least $2,000 on Fiverr using Canva platform. So as you can see, this particular design here, these are free templates and you can edit it to your own taste with simple steps. And as you can see this one as well, this is animated Instagram post which you can actually charge from 20 to 50 bucks from a buyer or a client. So same thing goes to this design as well. These are this kind of design you can actually edit and put in text, change the logo or the image on the designs and replace it to you with your own and deliver it to your respective client. Same thing goes to this laptop sales. If your buyer are into like tech or anything related, so you can actually go for this kind of designs and edit it to your own taste, add their social media handles to this page, then you can deliver. And if you have some bucks that you would like to give out, so I'll advise you to go for the pro version of Canva platform. So you with that you'll be able to have access to tons of designs which are in pro versions. But if you are a pro in designing, so you'll be able to twist all your designs to your own taste and deliver it to your own clients. As you can see, these are inspiring designs and they are all free. They are all free. So let's say for instance, you can see all these kind of designs here. Let me open this gig so you can see what I'm actually talking about. So as you can see, all these kind of designs here, these are very simple designs. Just background color, then adding text on the designs, then put different kind of colors on the designs, then you deliver it to your buyer or your client. This is what I can actually design in less than 10 minutes, just choosing the background, then the text, then choosing the right font that match up with the brand I'm actually designing for. So then you can get all these designs from some other Instagram posts, or you can actually download some free templates from Canva as well. Then you collate everything together and input them on a single designs. As you can see, that is very simple stuff you can actually do. Same thing goes to this design as well. These are very simple designs, and you can use them to actually make money on the platform. So let's check on this. So I think this particular brand are into solar system, or probably inverter or something like that. So this is just by inputting pictures, and then these are very simple designs that you can actually do and use that to make money on the platform. So as you can see, this basic package goes for $80 with 12 Instagram designs, and this is 18 designs for $120, and this is 24 designs for $160. So, and if you are just starting, you can charge maybe $100 or less for the 24 designs. It does depend on how creativity you are and how you can upsell your clients. So same thing goes to other design as well. So it just depends on how you input yourself and how you can actually manipulate and design on Canva platform. These are very simple strategy to make money on Fiverr if you have no experience at all. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I will reply to it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.